Is it clear?
Yeah, there's just a little blurriness right here.
Tell me if I created this whole thing of gesso for painting on the canvas, and I recorded a whole video, but it's recording from my neck down, and I thought it was recording my face. So, I hope this camera angle is working out here. I have a can of this salsa, and I'm gonna put the stuff inside of it. I feel like I'm making slime. I think that looks like 1/4 cup. I'm not sure. That looks very clumpy. Probably too much powder. Right? Because it's just a bunch of powder.
Helps you to mix it, really.
I'm gonna turn this into a time lapse. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take this, I'm gonna open it up, and then I'm gonna paint it over the top of this canvas. And then whoops, I almost knocked that down. And then I'm gonna leave it to dry, and then I'm gonna start making Iron Man from Endgame. Take out this canvas. Basically, this gesso stuff isn't working, but I'm gonna just turn it into a time lapse until I can get it to work. Okay, now I'm gonna start the actual drawing part of Tony Stark. I'm just gonna put it into a time lapse because it's gonna take me a long time to get everything laid out.
We ain't got no time.